I'm come mash up garden party tonight.
When we about garden party, you know, when you couple 3 days, we now climb down 3, right? No bike drive, no car, we are prepared for garden party.
That's garden party.
No car running, man, you see it.
Garden Party 2023, you know, have a big up. One rock, man, a foundation, this, you know. Guess who I came across?
So to me, it's tradition.
She's making me feel so ugly right now. Oh my God.
Go there, mama, go there. Go on, mama, go on. You give me inspiration from the first day, me born.
I'm gonna say from here, don't dare a face, you see me? I said the face, man. Oh no, full stop, no comma. Oh mama.
Go back. Tough and rough and tough. That's it.
Rock attack in a man. For your voice, if you know, say I'm shocking, I represent the 876 Front Page Entertainment. Your front page, solid.
Yeah, my people, I don't know, so I Garden Party 2023, you know, annual function, you know. Every year in an annual event, you know, so people from all walks of life are link up, you know. Vendors them out, you see it. Everybody out, family, long time friend link up. You know, so the night something, so you know, say later on we have black Kolaz in the lance here, where DJ yell about you, you know. Yeah. YM Entertainment, look out for them, the extra pepper. So you know the code, you know. Garden party we there, you know, overcast weather, but guess what? People them come out. Andrew, I go on. Ice cream on there, you know. Big up yourself, boss. Bless. Boom, I go on. Yeah, man. Yeah. Cause Chris, Crystal Wagwan. See, man, the weather is on where the people are out, you know. Yeah, bless up yourself, Baba.
I'm mash up focus and I come mash up garden party tonight.
2 girls get out there and see you, you know.
The inspector will feel up press.
Alright, corporate. That's why Wagwan. Cool, man. Yeah, you know. Gang Wagwan. Come across. Roast sack there, you know. I now left the roast sack, you know. Means that I now left the roast sack. Boss, when you finish your chop of half pound every minute. Let's hit this there. Alright, my boss. You are up here. Great all honor, you know. Yeah, Garden Party 2023 we're there in a Germantown annual event, you see it? Yeah, overcast weather, but you don't know the thing, the people them out. Same way. Check out the vendors them, you see it? Right, that's all. Right, that's how we have the great Wembley, you know. Great Wembley is here, you know, people. The man busy, you know. Yeah, man. I serve a beautiful lady, you know. Enjoy your chicken. Yeah. Yeah, are you missing much about that out of pork fest? Yeah. Of course, right? All the artists there.
My friend.
Artists, what go on? There, you know, and everything level. Alright, cool. Yeah. So. Already, I'm pretty girl, you're good. Alright, 31. I don't want to hurry there, you know, but you know, hurry the food in them and taking time with the food. Are you the god for that every year, you know? Are you run chicken and chips every year, you know? Bless up yourself, bro. There, so everything there. Right, that's my boss. Going on and come on there, same way. So we'll check out the vendors. Yeah, so the kids them, all the pretty stuff them right here, so all the fantangers them right here, so so we are gonna link the great Isle of Bash. Bad chef out there every year, the great Isle of Bash there. We link the great Isle of Bash, you know. Brother and a blood brother in a real life, you know, right? That's how I go on. What have this here? Everything there. Welcome on there. One Isle of Bash.
Looking forward to stay forward, isn't it? Baba, Baba.
Let's say I go and dance in chef. Come see I dance with the chicken them, you know.
Real man. They are going to run the thing. You know what my boss?
Alright, my boss.
Well, nice money. See it.
So get piece of it. Just get piece of roast, you know. There's a live over there.
Well, live, my boss.
Dancing chef, you know. Happy chef, you know, so food will be nice. Garden Party 2023, we out here. Right, there's a big chef. King over there, so alright. Man, that's how I respect my boss. Right, that's up. So right, I know, big up with you with the island. I go on Duncan.
Big up, man.
Bless him, my boss. The boss grew out of sight, you know. So I go on, man, everything live. Alright, come on.
Like and subscribe and comment, people.
Right, that's a front page, you see it?
Yeah, man, right? Yeah, man.
Alright, my boss. The party, you know, this is normally the time when most persons come in. Even though it's a Funday and night event, normally this time of the evening is when most people come in, you know. Everybody is out, family is out, friends link up. You know that's what Garden Party is all about. Father Pie, you want to go on?
Yeah, man.
There you Father Pie. Bless up yourself, you my boss. Yeah. So we're going to check out some more people, you know. Body alright, you know. Of course, I see one of a few vendors here. We're going to check them out right now, see? So mommy there with our pretty things coming up for the Christmas and New Year, you know.
I miss you, man.
Yeah, we tell you, you know, real hustler, you know.
Yeah.
Real hustler, mommy, real hustler.
Yeah, there's enough funeral today.
Yeah, nah, man, we do everything, man. Anything outside with it.
Yeah, everything outside with it.
Once you're outside with it, you know. Alright, blessed mommy. Yeah. Check out some of the vendors there. right here, Germantown. Garden Party 2023. Check out the vendor, them have the hot things, them good things them there, sir. Yeah? All the good things them for the kids them. Right. I'm gonna see you make a one talk last year, you know. Alright, big up yourself. Right, that's it, you know. Alright. Go and check out the vendors them, you know. Garden Party 2023. Father Chris, come know you're busy, you know.
No problem, man, you see it.
Alright, so yeah, people them come out Father Chris. It's a go nice, man. How your name Father Chris? Yeah, best roast, you know, check out in place in our way. Every Saturday or every Saturday. Father Chris place in a Seaford town. Check him out. Big up yourself, promoter. Yeah, Garden Party 2023, you know.
Garden Party 2023, you know. You have a big up straight from London, you know how the thing goes. They gave me a big up Germantown, my grandmother's town, all the time. Big up to Mala Dessa. Mad team.
Yeah, man, for real, man. One love, man. We didn't out here, you know. Yeah, man. No respect.
Hey, you see Germantown? Mad, seller. Can't beat Germantown. There's no place like Germantown in Jamaica. One love.
Friend them here, you know. Right, you say, you know. Father John, bless up yourself, boss. Say boss applause. Say boss applause right there, sir. Okay, right there, sir. Right there, sir.
There's something in the air of the night. What am I saying? What am I saying? What am I saying? Tell you me
That's a one channel, man. That's a one fry, you know.
I'm coming like a hell of a yeah.
Watch it.
Right, you say, you know, boy, I talk about stir fry, they can learn about French fry.
Watch it. I wait, you know.
Alright, yeah, man. It's how you eat that. God.
Guys, seafood mix there. Seafood mix there. Seafood mix, lobster, prawn, octopus. Yeah.
Menu over here. What want to have over here? What want to have over here?
Chicken, curry beef, jerk chicken.
You have curry what?
Beef.
Bombard, when you hear that people curry beef. Fried chicken there. Rice and peas there. What kind of soup that? Red peas? Mountain soup. Jesus peas. Let me sit there and make woman fat up. Me not say no more. Kids are here. It's a family fun day. Bless up on yourself. So what station is fruit and juice, ice cream. So we have fruit station here, ice cream. All right, bless up on yourself. Garden Party 2023.
It's like a reunion right now, for real, but they're the stars of the show right now. Look how beautiful she looks. She's making me feel so ugly right now. Oh my gosh. I have to hide my face from now. She a real Jamaican right here. Not a carbon copy. You're looking at the real deal.
And that's a good thing about Garden Party, you know, bring back family. It's core, the poorest family.
Yeah, them an original.
Yeah.
My mother was a German as well. She came from here. She born in Seaford, my grandmother. So, but Debbie knew my family.
The real story of Garden Party. When it first started, it was a trading. Everybody bring their produce and they trade with this and that.
Okay, so it was a trading event almost, and then the music started coming in. And
it was a co-op. They call it a co-op in those days.
Yeah, okay. So when was this, if you don't mind me asking? How long ago?
My sister was telling me.
Your sister was there? Oh, okay.
We born a Seaford, but we never raised a Seaford.
Oh, I was told just a second ago that the Garden Party is over 100 years old. I had no idea. This is like a legend. I don't think there's anything in Jamaica that's been going on this long.
There's none like it.
Not even the government has been going on as long as the Garden Party.
I like that.
Yes, 100%.
It's a rich culture.
When the Garden Party started, the Queen, no, not even the Queen, the King of England, that's long and gone, was ruling kind of Jamaica at one point. A madness. We don't want to talk about them things there.
Yeah, but this is the only party of its kind that brings out everybody. Like it's almost becomes a ritual for everybody, for community people.
Yeah, true. But that was my grandmother.
So let me give you guys some time to talk. Nice speaking with you. Thank you very much for your time. So I leave you to have some good time. Beautiful lady. Have a blessed evening, alrighty? And thank you very much, my brother,
Big up
for the
every time.
interview.
I got classes on now, but either way, it's the same man. But big up every time. Blessings, one love. Oh yeah, big up London, big up Tottenham, big up Wood Green, big up Edmonton, big up all the ends back in London, big up the man them. Love every time.
Right, yes, sir. Alright. Guess who I came across?
Yeah.
Original Mr. Curtis.
Yeah.
For those who would have done exams back in the day, of those who have been to Hard Trust, would have known that building across from the Hard Trust, owned by Mr. Curtis, and he's here. How are you doing, sir?
Not too bad.
How you enjoyed the evening so far?
Alright so far.
It's refreshing seeing you, man. We know you from a long time.
Yeah.
Every kid in this area, Berkshire, knows Curtis.
Yeah.
Blessings and respect, sir.
Yes, sir.
Have a blessed evening, alright? Yeah, man. Out here there, my general.
Alright, my general.
Maximum respect, man. Nice seeing you, my brother.
Boy, good to go.
Well, there's a sheer joy that you get from garden party that you get nowhere else.
Yes, that's true.
Just to come out and see friends and have a drink.
That's garden party.
Garden party.
And that's the meaning of garden party. This is a show that can't flop.
I'm going to tell you.
For me a boy, I'm a 53-year-old. And I can remember coming here at age 7. It can't flop.
That's a long time. That's a long time.
Just because it's called garden party, don't think so it's a garden. It's a blood clot field, it's acres of land. A whole heap of madness are go on. So you might even have to rename the garden party to field party because it's not no garden. A big blood clot thing, excuse my language.
I like his style. It's bigger than a garden.
Bigger than a garden. God knows small.
Yeah. So bless you, man. Enjoy the evening, family. See you. Right there, so blessings. Yeah, man. Blessings, man. Front page out here.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
All the best. 2024.
All the best with 24.
Yeah, blessings galore. More. As a kid growing up, what it means?
Children thing.
Children.
Yeah.
Exactly what
the children look toward their year time.
Right there. Right there. Grateful.
Yes, life is on.
Yeah, the party 2023. Yeah, man, we are here outside.
How are you, man?
Sir, Sir Larry.
Yes, sir. Yes,
I know you're a foundation in Seaford town here. You were born here.
Yes, sir.
Grew up here, went to school here,
Yes,
work here. What does garden party remind you of, or what does it mean to you?
What does it mean to me?
Garden party.
Garden party mean everything. It's a tradition from my grandfather did. Coming up. Originally. You know, the garden party I was keeping the school.
That's how I knew it first.
Man. So to me, it's tradition. So we are here every year.
Family, friends, everybody
Yes,
link
man.
up.
I meet a lot of friends, a lot of family members, people who I haven't seen for a long time. This is where we come to see them. Yeah, Mr. Barker said.
That's so nice meeting you, man. Have a blessed evening. Enjoy yourself.
Man. Enjoy yourself.
And thank you too,
Well,
Sir Larry.
man.
Respect, sir.
Yeah.
Who we have here, so ladies and gentlemen, the YouTube General. YouTube General. Show them. Hold on there. All right, that's it. See that right there. So I go on, Godfather. We in your town.
Yeah, you don't know I come here, come up for tonight, you know.
Hey.
I just don't want to see that while I got you know.
Yeah,
man. We don't
where
want
they?
to
On your channel?
No, well, people find me.
Oh, yeah. Because you're famous. I must say you're famous.
Find me at those campcraft.
Yeah.
Find me at campcraft, just get them on a little
How you
round
mean?
thing, you know.
How you mean?
And let them come tonight with just like out
One
the
shot
mango.
pants, you know.
Yeah, man. The mango, I'm a friend.
One shot pants, man. One shot pants.
I have to big up the mango anywhere in the world.
All right.
I keep moving with the whole world, man.
All right.
Heart of love the general.
Right there, sir.
Right there, sir.
One shot pants. Bless up yourself, Father. Cool, man. Cool, man. than this one. Watch him now. So lady, I know I go on. You there? Pretty like a dolly and them tell about.
You see it every time.
You make all a boy want to play with a dolly.
Oh,
you are a dolly, you know.
look like 12.
Oh, Jesus. So I don't want to get with you, I say 18, because I don't want police lock me up.
All right.
So I'm going to go out.
Shoot.
Pick up yourself, man, all right?
Next up they are later, you know, so you don't.
It's a Dexter you're forward for.
Working that fan.
Dexter. Yeah, man, Dexter, they are a little more healed, they are a little more same way. Mad party, a little more. That's how which one I the selector you come for? A Dexter pepper. Yeah, sir. Straight Dexter, alright, that's the party. Right, that's the man, one rat man a foundation this, you know. One rat this, you know. You don't matter about rat, but one at a time. Original rat this, you know. Right, that's it, you know. Yeah. Brother for life, you know, brother. Right, that's it, you know.
Right.
Earl, what go on? We give thanks on the outside, yeah.
Yeah, man, man. We there go and do the party thing, you know what I mean?
Upon evening, me ask a few persons, what does garden party like mean to them? Like, what the first thing come to mind when they hear garden party like?
Why, when we hear about garden party, you know, when a couple of trees here, we not climb, no tree, right, no bike drive, no car, we are prepared for garden party.
Right, that's so. Right, that's Earl. Bless yourself with a Godfather. Right, that's a father. Pretty family here, you know. You see, make a smile coming out, take care of you. Jeez, you see it? Lord, I tell you. So pretty family is here. Alright. I mean, so anybody here, good evening, by the way. Anybody here can, you know, what when you think about garden party, like what comes to mind? Even as a kid growing up, what comes to mind? Anybody?
Fun and enjoyment.
Fun and enjoyment. Family get together.
Yes.
Link up with the long time friends them.
Yes, I'll put God first in everything.
Love that, sister. Amen to that. Bless her with a nice pretty family. My little princess. Oh, look how she cute. And see her friend, she go like she's shy, you know, friend.
I am shy.
Hi, friend.
Hi, friend.
Jesus, she said friend back to me. Oh God, I found a friend.
See my son here.
Big boy, you know. Out with mommy at garden party. Yes. Alright, enjoy. When there?
I see my bestie, Nazi there.
Oh, nuts. Yeah. What would you like in nuts? I'm nuts on your like?
Of course.
You love your nuts?
Of course.
Nuts, she said, woman them say they love your nuts. Are the best nuts.
I see my sister there.
Yeah. No. Me know this a hot foot here for a long time. Yeah.
That is it.
Right, that's so. Right, that's so. Yeah, bud. All right. I love them, you see. Yeah. Legal. Tell her the ladies them look good. Garden Party 2023. It's a good vibe. Beautiful family here at Garden Party 2023. For the moment, yeah. So I'm going to put it on camera. I'm going to put it on camera. Push. Short boss, what go on my boss? But they don't pick by you do everywhere you go. I call you short man. How many times so? They can't call you one next name. They just love pick by you so. Alright, so we are here. I mean, it's a family get together. It's friends, it's family. It's uniting or reuniting, I should say. Garden Party 2023. Seaford Town, out here. Bash, turn the soap out here, there. They want soap. So the one and only Isle of Boston, the original river crayfish. I know a lot of you call them shrimps, but we call them crayfish. Original river crayfish. See there? Nothing bomb up. Real crayfish. Out of the river. Night before last night, bigger brother go catch them, you know. Right there. Out there. Bank of the river. Yeah. Original short pass, so I go on my general.
Yeah, me G.
There for the Garden Party same way, you see?
Yeah, me G.
Right, that's some boss. Right, that's some boss. Right, that's some boss. Right, with an old school mate, you know. Terrence, you know.
Yeah, brightest classmate. Parker. Big up yourself.
Right, that's some boss. Yeah, man. Season's greetings to you and the family, you know. Beautiful family. This is my schoolmate and classmate, you know, from day one, you know, from a taller time. Big up yourself, General. I know that's where we have come from.
Well far,
very far, man. Blessings. Enjoy your evening with your family, yeah? Right, that's it, my boss. Right, that's all. How are you today? How are you today? Derek, how are you today?
Jerk pork. You know if you eat pork?
A roast that, you know?
Yeah, man, I eat pork. It's a jerk chicken.
How for jerk chicken?
My baby mommy.
Oh, wife is jerk chicken, she ain't a pork.
Yeah, wife
you
is
don't get no kiss tonight, you know, if you eat a pork, you don't get no kiss tonight, you know. You know, say no kiss.
Yeah, man, I eat pork. Eat fish.
Alright, my boss. Enjoy. I'm blessed to be here, my boss. Yeah. Later on, you know. So Dexter Pepper, DJ Yale. You don't know, say later on. Whole heap of selector there in the land. You see it? Black Kolaz there, you know. Yeah. Right, that's it. Selfie. Photo upstairs, so you see it? Yeah. Right, that's all.
Kill us up tonight. Oh, we kick us up from left to right. Oh, kill us up tonight. Oh, till us over and we get to right now, God. In a stumbling block, black colors give them heart attack. Black colors so they can't flap. I said attack, one more song, boy, drop a black color.
Of course, Garden Party 2023, that's it for the Funday aspect. I mean, you know, later on in the land, it's all about black colors. So me I say, DJ Yale, Dexter Pepper, YM Entertainment, whole of about this inside. But this is me checking out for now for the Funday aspect. Check the description for all photos. Boom, 876 front page, you know the shrimps. Right there, sir.